Abracadabra! I'm gonna make this jar into a full jar. Ta-da! Oh, I forgot. We're going to do a craft about snow globes today. These are the examples, so you can look at them very closely. Now, first what you do is you get the Palmer clay. Wait, these are the things you need. Palmer clay, these kind of tools, super glue, nail polish, and oopsies. Wow, it's a glitter overload. Okay, and glitter, a lot of glitter. Now, you need distilled water also. I'm gonna keep the distilled water on the table. We're gonna cook it. Boop, boop, boop. So, what you're supposed to do in this kind of step, you should do it with an adult. My mom is here helping me with this kind of project. My mom just did this thing. And what temperature you should put it on is 250 Fahrenheit if you live in the United States. All right, we're gonna put it in. Mother, help. So after you've cooked it for about 5 to 10 minutes or 20 to 25 minutes, you may now paint nail polish on. After you've put the nail polish on, you will sand the top. And it looks like the paint is almost off, so if you have this kind of jar lid, then you can take this off. Now, go like this. Very quickly or slowly. You can either use a nail filer or some sandpaper. Now, after you've sanded this, you can glue it, but right now I'm still sanding. What I'd rather recommend is like a guardian or a grown-up help you glue it on. Now, once you've glued it on, you get the distilled water. This is going to be a little hard, so sometimes you can put it in front of this. Now, while I'm putting this in, it's going to take a little. We've done that part. Now, what we do next is we add the glitter. Now, if you don't have these caps of glitter, well, just use a little tiny bit of glitter and see how it looks in the distilled water. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get this glitter cap and I'm going to that's my dad that just arrived and the door automatically shut. Now, I put a little too much, but not too much. I got these from Target, and Target is awesome. I mean, like, Target has everything you can imagine. I mean, Target is really awesome. You can find anything there, your backpack, anything. Almost anything you can imagine. Glitter overload! Just like I said in the first scene. What we're gonna do is put on the lid. Press. are totally awesome. And goodbye. Please subscribe.